The Philippines is working to expand the Squad, a strategic alliance currently composed of Australia, Japan, the Philippines, and the United States, by inviting India and South Korea to join. These countries are already members of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command Area of Responsibility encompasses a vast region, including nations like Australia, Brunei, India, Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, New Zealand, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. According to General Romeo S. Brawner, Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, who spoke at the Raisina Dialogue in New Delhi in March, this initiative aims to counterbalance China's increasing influence in the Indo-Pacific. The Squad is an informal multilateral defense collaboration that was officially established in May 2024. It originated from discussions among the defense chiefs of its 4 members at the Shangri-La Security Dialogue in Singapore in 2023. Since then, the Squad has conducted joint maritime exercises within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ, in the South China Sea. Brawner's comments come amid escalating tensions between Manila and Beijing over the contested waters of the South China Sea. China continues to assert near total control over this crucial maritime trade route, valued at approximately $3 trillion in annual commerce, despite competing claims from the Philippines, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Squad, an unofficial strategic partnership, has been carrying out collaborative naval operations in the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ, in the South China Sea since last year. Philippine Armed Forces Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Brawner underscored the necessity to widen the partnership by inviting India and South Korea, pointing to China's illegal, coercive, and disruptive gray zone approach to seizing maritime space. The 3 artificial islands China constructed provide it de facto control over the South China Sea. They have constructed a 2.7 kilometers runway, complete with air defense and missile capabilities, on Mischief Reef. In the future, we expect they will assert full control of the South China Sea, General Brawner cautioned. China's increasing belligerence in the South China Sea has triggered alarm in the region. With the world's largest navy that includes 370 warships and submarines, Beijing has been maintaining 7 to 8 naval ships permanently in the Indian Ocean region, IOR, including research vessels under suspicion of espionage. Japan, which has been building up its military capabilities, has already doubled defense budgets to increase its military presence in the region. Japanese Chief of Joint Staff General Yoshihide Yoshida reaffirmed the nation's pledge to upgrade war-fighting power in order to respond to potential threats. In the meantime, U.S. Admiral Samuel Papero, leader of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, emphasized that countries upholding global norms must solidify deterrence. Things should not be resolved by force. The nations in the region need to get together and maintain stability and security, he said, referring to Chinese territorial aspirations in Taiwan and the South China Sea. India, being a major Indo-Pacific player, has reiterated its dedication to regional stability. Indian Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi highlighted that India is actively tracking maritime activity and possessing a strong maritime domain awareness, MDA, in the IOR. A navy that doesn't deploy does not deter. We have been deploying extensively far and wide and are more than capable of keeping an eye on activities in the region. We are closely observing naval movements, sharing intelligence, and building partnerships with island nations, Admiral Tripathi stated. India's engagement with the Quad, a security dialogue amongst India, the US, Australia, and Japan, already makes it an important regional stakeholder. The Raisina Dialogue discussions show a likelihood of closer engagement with the Squad, further cementing India's place in pushing back against China's influence. USA and its allies in South China region trying to indulge India in regional disputes, and this may trigger direct clash between China and India in the area of Ladakh, where Chinese army is in a very strong position. Although Indian economy expanding rapidly and now India is going to be 4th largest economy in the world, but comparing Chinese military might with India, we can easily confirm that there are no match.